CF Moto attacks another market segment, that of medium-sized sports bikes. The attack on the European market is clear. The 675 will probably be imported from next year and boasts an engine architecture loved by many motorcyclists, the 3-cylinder. The equipment is complete, the aesthetics are well taken care of, and the price will make many mouths water. The CF Moto range for 2025 is enriched with a very interesting novelty. It is called 675 SRR and will become the flagship of the Chinese company sports motorcycle family. Let's start first from the design of this motorbike, starting from the front light cluster characterized by two light strings that form a sort of double C, and which have the function of lights, daytime lights, surmounting the dipped beam lights enclosed inside the front. The modern lines of the superstructures then merge with the lateral fairings and the aerodynamic appendages. The tail is streamlined and slender as required by the fashion of today's sports bikes, and two air conveyors positioned on its sides recall the shape of the front. The project concept and the design study took place in Italy, while the production and industrialization of the 675 SR are carried out in China, at the CF Moto factory in Hangzhou, and for the part concerning the joint venture with KTM. The new platform on which the CF Moto 675 SR was born is composed of a steel tube frame, inside which the engine is fixed. It is powered by a 675 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder inline engine. According to the company, it delivers a maximum power of 95 horsepower at 11,000 rpm, with a peak torque of 70 Newton reached at 8,250 rpm. The distribution is double overhead camshaft, liquid cooling and electronic injection, while the 6-speed gearbox has bidirectional electronic control. At the front we find a 41 mm diameter upside-down fork, which offers the possibility of adjusting the hydraulic damping and rebound and compression. At the rear we find a monoshock with adjustable hydraulic compression and preload, activated by a linkage. The swing arm is double-sided with differentiated section, and the travel allowed to both wheels is 130 mm. The 17-inch aluminum wheels are combined with CST S3N tires, while the front discs measure 300 mm in diameter and are machined by J.1 4-piston brake calipers radial. At the back we find a single 240 mm diameter disc with single-piston floating caliper. ABS and traction control are standard, adjustable on 2 levels. This new sports bike has a fuel tank capacity of 15 liters, wheelbase of 1,400 millimeters. The overall length of the motorbike is 2,020 millimeters, while the declared weight in running order is equal to 195 kilos. The CF Moto 675 SR will be available in our market starting from the first half of 2025, at a price yet to be defined, but which promises to be interesting.